short demo of Pictory where I'm going to create a video from an article or a blog. So I put the blog URL right here and I click proceed, and the first thing it's doing is it's summarizing the article. It's picking out key sentences which the AI thinks best represent the content of the article, and you will see these summary sentences really quickly here that you can edit as well. So here's the sentences that the algorithm picked out, which tell the story of what this article is trying to say. Now, I might have a different idea because I wrote this article. I might say, hey, I want this, and maybe I don't want this. So I can quickly change the sentences that are picked here by selecting or deselecting them. Now I click next. I will have a chance to edit this these sentences further in the next step. So I click next, and now I have to choose the format of the video. So I'm going to choose a horizontal video in this case, and now it's going to create a storyboard for the video. And what the storyboard is every sentence that we selected becomes a scene in the video, and you can see these various scenes here, and the scene can have an image or a video in the background, and the text of the sentence shows up right here. So I have the choice to edit the text here. I can simply click on it to edit it. This image that is showing here actually came from the article itself. So it will sometimes pick the images from the article, and it will other times pick the best ones from the search. And now if I'm not happy with this, I can change it. I can basically say, hey, show me some other choices on this. Maybe I like this, but show me something else. So I can click on a search similar bar here. It will show me other similar visual to this one, and it will show me a bunch of these text animation type images. Maybe I choose something like this here, and I can also search by typing in some text. I can spend some time to come up with the best visuals for every scene. And now the next is AI will automatically have picked out a nice music track to go with the video. I can also choose a voiceover. We have this text-to-speech voiceovers, and we have various voices available. You can pick from any of these voices, or you can also record your own voiceover or upload your voiceover from a voice artist, or you can upload your own music as well. So you got a bunch of different choices there. Under this brand settings, you'll have an option to do things like add a logo to every slide. You can change the text and the way the font colors show up. Once you're happy with everything, you can quickly do a preview of the video, and it takes a few seconds to generate the voiceover and everything, and it'll show you a preview of that.
Pictory. Lots of text content and little traction. Video boosts conversion rates by 80%. LinkedIn videos get shared 20x more often compared to text content. Video posts on Facebook get twice the engagement of others.
Once I'm happy with this, I can click on generate, and it will generate an MP4 file that you can download, or you can share with your network or your own social media. So that's a quick demo of Pictory. I hope you find it useful. Thank you.